Good day, and welcome to the Super Good Camping Unboxing Edition. I got, I renewed my subscription to Explore magazine, and they sent me a mystery box of apparently some cool stuff. So today we're going to take a look. Ooh. So we get a little welcome note from them. The all-important latest issue of Explore magazine. Certainly one that I quite enjoy. I do catch a lot of the online articles, but you know, I'm old school. I like paper things in my hands. What else do we have here? We have, oh cool. I'd hazard this is stainless steel. It certainly looks like it. It's a multi-tool with a key ring. It's got all the things: screwdrivers, Allen keys, all the things to fix up parts of your tent or your stand for your GoPro or whatever. Pretty cool. What do these get called? Is that a toque? Is that a beanie? I suppose it depends where you're from. Looks nice and warm though. Oh, nice felt on the inside. Keeping my brains from freezing is never a bad idea. Oh, there you go. Emergency reusable sleeping bag. So it's a bivy. That's cool. That'll go on my day packs when we're out for hikes and or stay days when we're canoe camping and we're just out for a paddle and a maybe a small portage or something. That'll go with me. That's awesome. And yep, very cool. Crampons for your shoes when you're out trekking about in the snow and the ice. Give you plenty of grip, lots of pointy business there, and nice rubber things to go up and around your shoes. And a nice bag to carry it. Very sweet. Very, very sweet. Well, Explore Mag, thank you very much. I imagine I will subscribe for many, many more years. That's it for today. Bye.